Dear students, today we'll begin with statistics. I had posted one example on median, but what actually is statistics you may not remember. Statistics, remember, is just collection of some data. If you're asked to find out particular information, okay, so you collect the information, then you present that information in a proper manner, analyze that information, and then interpret, okay, then conclude what are your conclusions of the numerical data. So what is statistics? It is a branch of mathematics that deals with collection of data, presentation of the data, analysis of the data, and then interpretation. So in statistics, we go for central tendency of the data. Central tendency means you find clustering of a data at a particular score, okay, at a particular place. So that is called as measure of central tendency. And that measure of central tendency is done by means of three methods which you have already done in your 9th: the mean, the mode, and the median. So today we will take how to find out mean of a given data. By three methods are there. We are going to go for the simplest one, that is direct method. The three methods to find out mean are direct method, assume mean method, and standard deviation. Today I will deal with the direct method of finding out the mean of grouped data. Now you have been given here the distribution of money in rupees collected by students for flood relief fund. Okay, you have to find out the mean of money collected by the student. So here as such, the group data represents group classes from 0 to 10. Okay, this is the money from rupees 0 to 10. Then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. So we have the money till rupees 50. The number of students that is given to us, that will represent the frequency. So this frequency from 0 to 10 is 5, then 7, 5, here 2, and here it is 6. Okay, we have to find out the mean of this data. So first of all, what we do is we have to find out the class mark of this classes. Now what actually is class mark? This class mark is denoted by XI. Okay. Class mark is nothing but the midpoint of the class. And how do we find out the midpoint of a class? We make use of this method. You take the lower limit plus the upper limit, okay, and divide this by 2. Now if you go for the first class, it is 0, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 10. You divide it by 2, that gives you 5. So we write 5 here. Okay, now take the next class. Lower limit is 10 and upper limit is 20. So 10 plus 20 upon 2, that will give you how much? 30 upon 2. That is equal to how much? 15 2s is 30. So your next class will be how much? 15. Getting that? Now from this 15 minus 5, how much is the difference? 10. Okay, just add 10 in this 15. You will get the class mark of the third one. That will give you, if you add 10, that gives you 25. See, verify whether you get the same answer or not. Your lower limit is 20, upper limit is 30. 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Getting that? See, 25 or not. Now we will add 10 here. We will get the class mark of 30 to 40. So that makes 35, and here it will be 45. So you understood the method of finding out the class mark or the midpoint of a class. The class mark is also called as midpoint. You add the lower limit with the upper limit and divide by 2. Getting that? Okay. So now we find out the sum of this number of students, which is denoted by summation of Fi. Now what will be the sum? The sum here will come out to be, see, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, and 19 plus 6 is how much? That is 25. So what is your summation of Fi? It is 25. Got that? Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to find out the product of the class mark with that of the frequency. So your next column will comprise of Xi into Fi. Okay, so that is 5 into 5, that is 25. 15 into 7, 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 1s are 7 and 3 is 10. Then 25 into 5, that will give you how much? 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 125. Then you go for 35 into 2, that will give you 70, right? Then 6 into 45, 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, correct? 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 4s are 24, plus 3 is 27. Now you have to get the summation of Xi into Fi. We have to add these things. Now when you add these things, let us take the addition in rough. See, 105 plus 25, that will give you 0, 3, 130. Okay, we finished the addition of first two terms. Now we will add in it 125. So that gives you 255. Fine. Then in that 255 you will add 70. So if you add 70 you get 325. And in that 325 if you add 270 you will get 595. So your summation of Xi into Fi is 595. Got that? So now we got the sum of the frequency, we got the sum of the product of the frequency with the class mark. Now we have to find out the mean. Mean is given by the formula for direct method, X bar. Mean is denoted by X bar. It is summation of Xi into Fi upon summation of Fi. Okay, so here we have 595 divided by 25. I'll take a smaller number. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, again 5 1s are 5, remainder is 4, 5 9s are 45. Have a look here. 595 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, remainder is 0, you'll bring down 9, again 5 1s are 5, remainder is 4, 4 is smaller than the divisor, this 4 is smaller than the divisor, so you'll have to bring the next digit over here. So 5 how many is a 9s? So here we have answer as 119 divided by 5. Now again we can divide this 119 by 5. See here, 119 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 1. Again remainder is smaller than the divisor. You have to bring down 9. 5 3s are 15. Because 5 4s are 20. We cannot take 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 4. Now 4 is smaller than 5. So put a decimal point and take a 0 over here. So that gives you 5 how many is a? 5 8s are 40. So what will be the answer? 5 1s are 5, 23.8. So what is the mean of the given data? It is 23.8. What is this mean denoted by? It is the mean of money collected. What is the question? Find the mean of money collected by a student. So the mean of money collected by a student is rupees 23.80. Okay, so this is the direct method of finding out mean. In the next video we will discuss the second method of finding out mean, that is by assume mean method.